let's make some breakfast. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of What I Eat in a Day. So today is gonna be a full day of eating a lot of food, something very simple and realistic and easy to make at the same time. This is what I normally eat on a busy day. So for breakfast, it's just something very simple. If you know me and if you actually follow me on Instagram, my favorite spread ever is peanut butter. I can actually just scoop it out from here and eat it straight. Grant hates it. He thinks it's disgusting, but I think it's really good. And I also have here some cacao spread and as well as a cashew caramel spread. Depending on my mood, I would normally mix it, or sometimes I would normally just have it. For today, I'm gonna mix it up because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten properly last night. And for the bread, I've got here a gluten-free bread, and it's actually buckwheat and chia. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the bread, let's have a little bit of a chat, guys. Yeah, so if you've actually seen my previous What I Eat in a Day, I normally prepare something keto friendly, but now I'm no longer doing a keto diet, and it's not because I don't like it. It's just I've been doing it for a couple of months, and I think it's about time to have a little bit of balance in my life, especially with food. Yeah, so I'm doing a low carb diet, but it just really depends with how I feel at the same time. I don't restrict myself too much anymore. I eat what I want to eat, but I make sure that it's balanced. So when I say balance, you can have a little bit of carbs, protein, but you need to make sure that it's balanced. You can't have just all carbs and you want to lose weight at the same time as well. It seems to be okay for me. Like, I love bread. I grew up with bread, and I've restricted myself with bread for so long because of keto, and the right diet for me is just balance and a lot easier to maintain at the same time as well. So now it's ready. Smells amazing. I'm gonna put some peanut butter on the side. Yummy. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this spread as well. It's a bit weird because I'm mixing things up, but I like it this way. So this one is a little bit sweet. It tastes really good, but a little bit sweet, so I don't normally put a lot of it. I don't like something very sweet, so just put a little bit of it. How good does that look, guys? Look at that beauty. It looks simple, but trust me, it smells good. Let's try this out. This is so good. Yep, and now it's lunchtime. So guess what, guys? So last night, I couldn't sleep. I have been thinking about this food, and it's quite weird because I don't really eat this food that much, or I don't really like it, but for some reason last night, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And I even had a dream about it, and I woke up and I told Grant, I want some burger. Yep, so you already know, for lunch I will be making a healthy version burger. Yeah, so I got all the ingredients here. I'm just gonna quickly mix it up. It's very quick and easy, guys. It's I have here some mincemeat. So this is beef mincemeat, and I'm just gonna cut some onions. I'm a little bit lazy today. I don't have a lot of time, so I've got here a minced garlic, and I'm just gonna mix that up there. Some parsley and some spices. We went to my favorite bakery and got a burger bun. It's in here. Yep. So this is actually a low carb burger bun, but depending on how you want it, you can obviously choose whatever bread you want. Anyway, guys, let's start cutting it. I have to mix some eggs as well and put a little bit of salt and pepper. The smell of this is so strong, so this is one of the disadvantages, but it depends. I don't like the smell of it, but I can't be bothered cutting fresh ones, so that will do. I feel like I cut the onion a little bit big. I should have chopped it a little bit smaller, but that's okay. There you go. While the beef is cooking, I'm gonna start cutting the tomato, avocados, and other vegetables that I need for the burger. And it is ready. So now the burger. So this is the bun that I got from my favorite bakery. Put that there and I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not very good at this, so bear with me. I think that should be like that. There you go. I am going to put this. I'm gonna add some tomato. And then I'm gonna add some avocado. My burger is gonna be so filling. Actually, I'll put that one there for now. And it's gonna have another one. Damn, that looks good. I don't know how I'm gonna fit this one. Right, now just putting some sauce. This is, it's funny because it's actually the other way around. So I'm just gonna do that. I mess up as usual. This is such a big burger. How funny. Alright. There you go. By the way guys, I've actually changed my diet from keto to just something, you know, easy to maintain and well balanced. I've learned a lot from trying different types of diet, and at the end of the day, it's really all about balance. It's sustainable diet, and it really depends with your body as well. Like with keto was good for me. I lost a couple of pounds, but at the same time, my body just don't like dairy. I'm learning a lot about my body, and it's all about balance. Having a balanced diet for me, it's a lot easier and a lot more sustainable and easy to maintain at the same time. I'm so messy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean up a bit and finish my lunch, and I'm gonna be making some turmeric ginger shots. I'll show you the recipe in a bit. So now we are gonna be making a ginger turmeric shots. I can't even pronounce it properly. Turmeric. I have my notes here just so I don't forget. What's the benefits of ginger shots? So it's actually really good for enhancing your digestion, increasing metabolism, improving your skin, relieving stress, which is very important, and also maintaining a balanced blood sugar levels. I started having it when I had my bloating issues, and it really helped a lot, so I wasn't as bloated as I used to. It's a very simple recipe to make. You can actually have it with just ginger, or you can also add some turmeric. There's a few ways to do it. You can actually boil it and stuff like that, but the best recipe that I actually have tried is the one with the coconut water and adding some honey, some pepper. Even the honey, this is also optional, but it just tastes a lot better with a little bit of sweetness to it. Pepper as well is very good because that's where you can actually get the benefits of the turmeric. So I'm just gonna put that there. I should have cut it smaller. Normally I would put more ginger in here, but I don't have much. I ran out. So this is the best thing I can do. 2 teaspoons of honey. There's another very important ingredient that you shouldn't miss when you're making this one, and that is lemon. Lemon is very important. It just makes it taste a lot better. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend it and I shall be back. So I actually had to move it to a bigger one because I made a mistake of choosing the smaller blender because the coconut water started leaking and it was flooded. So I don't have as much coconut water as I should be, but that's okay. I normally don't throw this one, the pulp, because I use it for tea. So after this one, I'm gonna dry it out and then I'm gonna put it in a container and then use it for my everyday tea. Guys, you know what happened? I had to put it back here and put some pepper because I forgot. As I said, this is a very important ingredient as well. So, and that, my friend, was my ginger turmeric shot recipe. And it's dessert time! Yeah, so a day is never complete without a dessert. And now I'm gonna be making something very simple. It is chia pudding, and I'm gonna be adding some mango, and I'm gonna be adding some nuts as well. This is my favorite mix. I think this was the Energy Boost nut mix. I actually got this one from, I think the name of the shop is The Nut Shop, and it is in South Melbourne. So this one is a mix of almond, fig, pistachio, and some coconut shred as well. When I got it the other week and we ate it in like 3 days. It's like half a kilo in 3 days. Pretty addictive. So I'm using a almond milk and chia. You can also add some honey as well, but I didn't because the mango is gonna be very sweet already. I love mango, guys. Mango here is so expensive. In the Philippines, it is around 50 to 100 peso per kilo, but in here, it's at least $3 per piece. This is an organic coconut milk with prebiotics as well, and it's not sweetened, so there's no extra sugar in here. That's why I like it. A little bit of nuts on the side. This dried fig is so good. It actually it's best when you actually mix it up with the pistachio and the, how do you call this one, with the coconut shred as well. Dessert is ready. That quick and that simple. I have just uploaded my plank challenge. It's actually the first plank challenge in my channel, and I really hope you can join me. It's only 10 minutes. When I was actually doing the video, I was sweaty like crazy. It was good. If you want to see it, make sure that you actually save it on your playlist, so it's just a lot easier for you to access it the next time you want to do it. So you can do it twice or once every week at least. It's only 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes of your time, guys, and it's very quick and easy. Trust me, it's quick and easy. And it's dinner time. The day has gone so quick. I have been so busy today. My favorite part of the day. Actually, every part of the day is my favorite as long as there is food. Right, Chow? He nodded. He says yes. Anyway, so I have here some salmon and just salt and pepper. I couldn't be bothered making my own salad, so literally I just bought a Thai style salad. So I got this from Aldi, and one of my favorite salad. Very good. Some salt and pepper. Just gonna add some oil in the pan. Cook it. Finally ready, so I'm just mixing up the salad, mixing it up just to make sure that the sauce is well mixed. I also have here the chicken pumpkin curry. Yummy. I cooked this last night, so I just warmed it up, and obviously the fish that I just cooked. And so I'm just gonna add up the salad. By the way, guys, I can't eat these all. Grant's gonna be eating some of these. And now let's eat. Can you hear that? Crunchy, very crunchy. This is my favorite part because I love crunchy stuff. And I also made a Filipino style sauce. This is suka and patis. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this video and for supporting me the whole way through. 2020 has been such an exciting year for every one of us, not just me, not just you. It's definitely exciting and challenging at the same time for everyone. I'm just really grateful and thankful that some people are actually watching this video. I didn't really expect that I would have some subscribers. I started doing some videos 5 months ago, and I don't know, I was just really bored with the lockdown, and I started wanting to learn new things or things that I wasn't comfortable doing, like YouTube or taking videos and stuff like that. So I'm just very thankful. I still have a long way to go, but I'm pretty happy where I am right now, and I think this year it's gonna end up a little bit positive, and I hope it's gonna be the same for everyone else. And let's hope that 2021 is gonna be a better year for everyone else. And yeah, if you haven't liked this video, guys, please do give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it if you do, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. So I'm gonna continue eating, guys. I need to call Grant and continue doing some work. So, yep. And see you in my next video. Mwah! Love you all.